I would say get a car and drive. The only way to see Australia is to drive, whether it be inland or right around the coast. I mean, a great thing, if you've got time, you could probably drive, starting in Perth, driving across to Melbourne, and then driving up the east coast to Brisbane is a great route, and you could do that in a month. You know, it's the only way to see Australia, because you're going to see towns, you're going to see different coasts. You're going to run into a lot of different country. I mean, you can always fly into the major cities and venture out from there, but I think it's terribly important to be driving. And also, if you go Perth north up to around sort of Broome and get to Darwin, I mean, that coastline is just magical, and going inland and there's just so much to do. You know?